In the previous video, we updated the script to get arguments from command line. Now we want to make this script executable like any other command, like ls for example. So for that we first need to add the shebang line. So what it does is it tells the kernel which interpreter to use while executing this file. So we are telling that use this interpreter Python 3 available at this path. The first line should be the shebang line. Let's try executing this script. So we get the permission denied. It's because gfn.py file doesn't have the executable permission. We can check that by ls command gfn.py. You can see it doesn't have the executable permission. Now to give the execution permission, we will use chmod command, chmod plus x for giving the execution permission. gfn.py gfn. Now if we check again, you can see it has given the execution permission for user group and others. So now we can output. So now we are executing the file like this ./gfn.py. If we go back to the parent directory and try to execute, we can't execute that file like we execute the ls command. Let's get back to the get file names. For doing that, we need to add the path where this file is residing to the path variable. Let's check what is there in the path variable. So it already has number of different paths to the different directories. The ls command we are executing must be in one of these directories. And if we want to execute our file from anywhere, we either need to add our file to one of these directory, or we can add the current directory readability to the path variable. Now for adding the current directory to the path variable, we can do export path to /media/manjaro gd/get names. We are appending the current path to the path variable. Now if we check again, we can see the get file names is there in the path variable. But there is one more problem with this. If you stop this terminal session and open again and check, path we added is gone now. Now if we want to add this path to the path variable permanently, we need to add the path in the bashrc file. So let's check what is there in the bashrc file. Bashrc, to open it. So you can see there is lots of stuff in there, but you can just add the append the path variable there. Path equal to path, and media, and copy this and let's save it. Now whenever you start the terminal, this line will be executed. So this path will always be available in the path variable. But I'm using the zshrc terminal, so I need to edit the zshrc. I can put the same thing here, and it will be always available in the any session. Now if I change the path, now we can see that our path is in the path variable, and you can execute any files present in this directory. But I would suggest that you add the file in the user/local/bin. You can just copy the gfn.py file to user/local/bin, but permission denied, so you need to sudo this and enter the root password if asked, and we can execute it from anywhere. Now if I try to go back to the parent directory of this and execute gfn.py, you can see that it shows me that gfn.py command is available, and now I can give the path to the audio folder and extension.mp3. So this is how we can make our file executable from any directory. You need to either add the path to the bashrc or zshrc or whatever shell you are using, or you need to add the file to the any of the paths already present in the path variable.